Have you ever come across raisins or other dried fruits like dates, plums, figs, or apricots when you went shopping? These dried fruits are the most common. However, it's possible to dry other fruits such as mangoes, pineapples, bananas, and apples. One of the advantages of dried fruits is that they weigh less and end up lasting longer. In this video, we're going to teach you how to prepare your own dried fruit at home. Start by choosing fruit to dehydrate. Wash the fruit well and remove the stalks, leaves, and other inedible parts. You can leave on the peel if you want, but if you're going to do that, then it's better to buy organic fruit. Some fruits, such as apples and peaches, will dry better if the peel is removed. Cut the fruit into small pieces so it will dry faster. In order to make the fruit look appealing and minimize discoloration, soak them in lemon juice and water for 10 minutes. Then drain and dry them with a lint-free towel. Preheat the oven to the lowest possible temperature, about 50 degrees. Use a lower temperature for thin fruits like sliced apples, bananas, and peaches. Strawberries require a higher temperature. Over time, you will learn how long each fruit takes. Line the baking sheet with wax paper and arrange the fruits in a single layer, without letting them touch. In order to prevent the fruit from curling during drying, cover them with a pizza pan with holes poked in it. Place them in the oven and leave the door slightly ajar, in order to prevent them from burning. This process normally takes around an hour and a half. When the fruit is dry, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool before eating. In addition to practicality, dried fruit has many other benefits. They're rich in vitamins and minerals. Even though vitamins like B and C get lost in the baking process, many other nutrients are preserved, making them a great snack in between meals. They're a great source of fiber. Dehydrated fruits are rich in fiber, meaning they improve intestinal health and bowel movements. They improve circulation. Fruits like apricots, mangoes, and plums are rich in minerals like potassium, which can help balance the sodium in our bodies, contributing to control of high blood pressure. Cancer-fighting properties. Dried fruits have vitamins and nutrients that combat oxidative stress in the body. This is one of the main factors in onset diseases like cancer. This is why snacking on dried fruit can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Just be sure that when you're buying dried fruit in the grocery store, you are checking the labels. A lot of them will have added sugars, preservatives, and generally more calories. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. To see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. We love giving you healthy and helpful remedies.